Today we will see question number 12 from NCERT 10.2 class 11th. Okay, so here is the question. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on coordinate axis and passes through 2, 3. So what they have given is there is some line which is cutting equal intercept on x-axis and y-axis. Intercepts means where it is cutting x-axis, this is x-axis, and where it is cutting y-axis. So they both are equal, they are saying. So if this is A, this is also A. So guys, and they have given one point which is passing through this, and they're asking the equation of line. The equation of line, we know many forms. One is y is equal to mx plus c. One is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. One form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Correct. One form is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, x minus x1. There is one more form, x cos alpha, y sin alpha is equal to p. So these 5 equations we know, and each is applicable when different informations are provided. So here they have provided kind of intercepts which are equal and 1 point. Okay, so intercept form is this. This is intercept form, right? So you have to remember this is intercept. For sure we will apply this here, intercept form, correct? So let me apply here. What they have given, they are saying that A and B are equal. These are the intercept. A is the intercept here in this equation. If you see, A is x-intercept. Okay, and what is B? B is y-intercept. Guys, intercept is a fancy word for a distance from the origin where the line is cutting. The distance, this distance. So here they are saying A is equal to B. This is given. Okay, so let me try to apply here. So I will write x by A and y by A is equal to 1. This is my equation because both are A only. So can I take A common? So it will be x plus y is equal to 1. Correct. Now this A will go there. So it will be x plus y is equal to A. But this can't be my equation because A is still unknown. One information they have given, line is passing through 2, 3. So that means if line is passing through some point, this point will satisfy the equation of line. You can say 2, 3 should satisfy equation of line. Why? Because it is passing through it. So I will put x here and y here and see. So 2 plus 3 is A. So I got A. A is 5. So I will just put it in the equation and that will be my equation. So x plus y is equal to 5. This is my answer. So what I did, I kept A in this equation. Okay, so I got my answer. So always keep in mind there are 5 equations and out of which you have to choose which one will be applicable in your question. Just one more question, guys. Question number 13. This is from exercise number 10.2 and CRT class 11. Okay. So they are saying find the equation of line passing through point this and cutting off intercept of the axis. Sum is this. Sum is given. So it is something like this. Suppose this is line and these are the intercept. Okay, and I just told you what is the intercept form. Intercept form equation. The intercept form is x by A, y by B is 1. They have given the sum is 9. That means A plus B is given 9. And one information they have given, the line is passing through some point 2, 2. Correct. So let me see what we can do is, can I write B is equal to 9 minus A? I think it's fine, right? B. So I will write the equation. So my equation will become, guys, x by a, y by b, b is 9 minus a is 1. Now this is my equation, but this can't be final answer because a is still unknown. So my job is to find a by using some other information that is given. Line is passing through 2 comma 2. So if this line is passing through 2 comma 2, so you can write down 2 comma 2 must satisfy the equation of line, correct? So I will put it here. So I will put 2 by a because this is x part and this is y part always. First is x, second is y. Y is also 2. 9 minus a is 1. Now let me solve it. So guys, can I take this as LCM? Product of these two, correct? So it is a 9 minus a, and this into this and this into this. That's how we add fractional numbers. So this is 2 into 9 minus a plus 2 into a is 1. Okay, let me simplify it. So I am getting this. So 9 twos are, so this is multiplied here and here both. So 9 twos are 18 minus 2 into a, 2a plus 2a by a into 9 minus a by 1. Be careful, guys. For some students, they make 9 and a same. So, and you yourself get confused. Please make 9 clearly and a clearly. Okay. Otherwise, this will merge in the end and you won't know which is 9, which is a. Okay. So, here this 2a and 2a will cancel. Okay. So, what equation I am getting? I will take this here. 18 is left here. So, I can write 18 is equal to 9a minus a square. What I did? This I took this side and I am multiplying a with this and a with this. So 9 into a is 9a and a into a is a square. Okay, but my aim is to get a. So what should I do? Can I take, this looks like a quadratic equation. So let me make it a proper quadratic equation. A square minus 9a plus 18 is 0. Understood? So what I got is a square I got here, 9a here, so it became minus plus 18. Now I have to factorize 18 in order to get 9 as a sum. Okay, understood? So this sign is important. If this sign is sum, so I need, sum should be 9. Sum should be 9 and product should be 18. That's how we do. So I think I can take 6 into 3 is 18. So I'm going ahead and using 6 and 3. Fine. So what equation I am getting? Let me write down. Equation I am getting is a square minus 9a plus 18. So I am using 6 comma 3 is 18. So minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 is 0. A common in these two. So it is a minus 6 minus 3 common in these two. So a minus 3 6 are 18 is equal to 0. Now out of these two, a minus 6 common. So it is a minus 3 is 0. So I am getting, if two factors are there, so either a minus 6 is 0 or a minus 3 is 0. So I am getting either a is 6 or I am getting a is 3. So my aim is over. But for equation, if you remember, the equation was x plus a, y by b is equal to 1. I need b also, right? So what will be b, guys? If you remember, it was 9 minus a. So it will be 9 minus 6. So b will be 3. So I got a, b. Here I got b is equal to 9 minus 3, correct? So b will be 6. So if a is 3, b is 6. If a is 6, then b is. So equation will be x by a, which is a is 6, plus y by 3 is 1. Either this is the equation or x by a is 3, plus y by b is 6 is equal to 1. Or this is my equation. I'm just putting a and b values in the standard equation. So there are two possible lines which will satisfy the given equation. There are two possible lines. Maybe this line, or maybe there may be something like passing through same point like this, having the sum of the intercepts a plus b is still 9 and passing through this point. So reader will see question number 14 from 10.2. So question number 14 says, find the equation of a line passing through this point and making an angle of this. Okay, so let me make a rough sketch. So how much is the angle given, guys? You see 2 pi by 3. What is pi? Pi is actually 180 degrees by 3. Pi is in radian and degrees 180. So it is 120 degrees. So the line is making with positive x-axis, how much angle it is making? 120. So possibly this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Possibly the line is something like this. Then only it will make 2 pi by 3 angle. Okay. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. And this is my line, they are saying is passing through 0, 2. So it looks like this. See, this is origin 0, 0. So 0, 2 will be somewhere here. So it is passing through at this point. So what do you feel is provided? They have given angle. They have given two things. Angle, from where I can solve the slope. That means slope they have given. Second thing they have given is point. The point is given 0, 2. So slope and point is given. Which form I will apply? Clearly, y minus y1 m into x minus x1. This is called your point to slope form. So clearly I will apply this. Okay. So what is the slope? What is the slope? M is tan theta. Right. How much angle? Theta is the angle the line is making with positive axis. So it will be tan 120. So tan 120, can I write 180 minus 60, right? And we know from our trigonometric knowledge that tan pi minus theta, which is same as tan 180 minus theta, is given as minus tan theta. Please remember this formula. So I will use it here, is minus tan 60. 60 is this. So what is minus tan? What is tan 60? Minus root 3. So I got slope, guys. And what is the point given is 0, 2. So let me write down point information also. 0, 2. So this is my m and this is my point. So what I have to do is just I have to apply the equation, which is this. I have to just fit the values here. So let me write down y minus y1. Where is y1? These are the points x1 and y1. So this is y1 is minus 2 is equal to m. M is root 3. X minus x1 is 0. So can I write y minus 2 is minus root 3x. This is my final answer. If you want, you can just take x this side in order to make everything positive. So it will be root 3x plus y minus 2, 0. So this is my answer, or this. I hope you understood question number 14. Now they are asking one more part. They are asking find the equation of line which is parallel to it, parallel to this, and crossing y-axis at a distance of 2 below the origin. So below the origin is here. So that means the line is something parallel to this. Suppose this is line PQ parallel to this. So if two lines are parallel, the slope is equal. If the slope of this line is minus root 3, so for this also m will be what? Minus root 3 only. Slope will be same. And it is passing through one point which is given 2 below. So that means what is this point? 0 comma minus 2. This point is given. And they're asking equation of this line. So again we will apply same thing. So you can say slope is given is minus root 3 and point is given is 0 comma minus 2. Why? Because we see the line is here. It's passing through 0 comma minus 2. They are saying below y-axis by unit, below origin, unit 2. So line is passing through this point. Okay. So we will apply y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Okay. So what is y minus y1? So x1 and y1 is this, the point. So this is x1 and this is y1. So y minus y1 is minus of minus 2. M is minus root 3. X minus x1 which is 0. And this is slope. So it will be y plus 2 minus root 3 into x. So similarly I can bring it this side to make it plus. So it will be root 3x plus y plus 2 is 0. So guys, this is my final answer, the second part of it. Okay, let's do one more question. It says, question number 15 from 10.2. Perpendicular from origin to line meets at this point. Find the equation of line. So very weird type of information is given. Directly they have not provided slope. Directly they have not told that line is passing through this point. So some information they have given that there is some line, there is line AB which is having perpendicular from origin, so this is your origin, to the line which meets at point minus 2 comma 9 at this point. Find the equation of line. So if we see our standard forms, y is equal to mx plus c, so we should know c, intercept and slope. Nothing is given. But we can see one thing, that line is passing through this point. So one point information is given. Second thing, they are saying this is perpendicular. So if I know the slope of this line, so I can easily calculate slope of my line which I want to calculate, right? So what will be the slope of, suppose this is your O and this is P. So what will be slope of OP? It will be y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay, I am finding out for this. So I am calling it, say for some time I am calling it x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. If by mistake you call it x2 y2 and this x1 y1, even then we get the same slope. So don't worry, right? We can interchange the points. So y2 minus y1. So y2 is 0. So it will be 0 minus 9. x2 minus x1 is 0 minus of minus 2. Okay. Which comes out to be minus 9 by, this will become plus, minus 9 by 2. Okay. So this is my slope of this line OP. But I am interested in slope of AB. So can I say m of AB into m of OP is minus 1? Why? Since m of AB is perpendicular of m of OP. Means if two lines are perpendicular, I'm sorry, I should write AB is perpendicular to OP. If two lines are perpendicular, the slope product is minus 1. So MAB, I don't know. MOP is minus 9 by 2 is minus 1. So both sides, this minus and this minus will become plus. So what will be MAB? This 2 will go here and 9 will come here. So 2 by 9. So I got the slope. So at least I have slope information. Okay. And I have point. So my job is done. I have slope. I have point. So what to wait for? The formula is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. This is called point. This is called point slope form equation. I will use it. So here the point should be which is present on the line. That means this point, and slope is this. So let me fit it. Y minus y1, this point which is present on the line. Don't take this. This is not on AB. O is not on AB. P is on AB. So I will take this point. Minus 9. M is 2 by 9. X minus x1. So x1 is this. Minus of minus 2. Now this minus and minus will become plus. Perfect. Now what should I do is, can I take this 9 here? Okay, so let me solve it, guys. If I take 9 here, it will be 9. Y minus 9 is twice into x plus 2. So 9 I am multiplying 9y minus 18. 81. 9 9s are 81. Then 2 is multiplied with both. 2x plus 4. So can I take this y here and 81 here? Why, guys? Because I don't want to make 2x as negative mostly, right? So I will write 2x plus 4 minus 9y plus 81 is 0. This 81 I am bringing here. So it became plus. So I am writing 2x minus 9y. What is 81 plus 4? Is 85 is equal to 0. This is my final equation. I hope you understood, guys. So bye everybody.